mechanics now. Over here at a place we ain't been at in a long time. That's not my fence. This is my new fence. And over here in the front, this is a yard we fenced in 4.5 years ago. And now we're coming in here today to seal off from there that subdivision perimeter fence over to the fence they got already 4.5 years ago. See, we're fencing this in because of this beautiful pretty grass yard here. There's lots of armadillos and critters out in the woods there, and they love coming across and digging up their pretty grass. So we're sealing them off here, so it ought to slow them down quite a bit. Now they got to climb over. Charlie fence. That's how the reveal should look on your gates after they've sat for 4.5 years. No touching, no touching together and hard to open. Ooh. The first house, or one of the first houses in the whole neighborhood. Now look at all the rooftops. A lot changed in 4.5 years. This is still the same though. Another beautiful finished job. What's a brand new fence without a beautiful transition? Brand new, 4.5 year old. Same.